kickstart round GB problem, or you can say what is given that collect the maximum. Okay, so it is given that in the question. So we have a matrix. Okay, now like this is a matrix of n cross n. Okay, and each cell having some coins, like this cell having some coin, this cell having some coin, this cell having some, and this some. Okay, all having some coins. Okay, now we have to collect the maximum coins. And how can we travel? We can travel only if this we are just here, then we can go this at this point or at this cell. Okay, like, and we can start, there is no given that we have to start one, we can start from any point, so we have to calculate the maximum. So like if we start from here, so we can calculate the maximum of this, just add up of this. So what we do, just can't just we have to do is, just we have some all of this, all of this this and this, and we have to find the maximum. That's it, a simple solution. So like if this is given, so we have to just array and find some of these the diagonals. So we have not find this diagonal because this is like 1 comma 4 and this is 2 comma 3. So this is not, this is 1 plus 2 and will be 3, and this will 4 minus 3 will be 4 minus plus 1 will be 5. So these diagonals can't be added. Okay, because the answer will be x, we can travel into x plus 1, y plus 1, or x minus 1, or y minus 1. These are these diagonals we can travel only. Okay, let's see the solution. And so this is the solution. I will create a path, like name the grid where I can name or this a path. Okay, after that I will just take the input, I will take all the inputs. After, like I will create an answer integer. So for I is equal to 0 to I less than n, I will create a loop like this. Okay, what is, what it will do is that from 1 I is equal to 1 to, from this side, from this all side. Okay, from this side it will take the maximum. Okay, in this loop, in this particular loop, it will take only this side. Okay, and this side. So what is that I will creating a n, and then because this is always 1 comma 1, this is 1 comma 2, this is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. In this case the first element 1 is always constant, so this is always constant, 1 comma 1. Only increasing is the y1. So in this, from this to this, or the half upper matrix, only y coordinate is increasing in the first column. Okay, first row. Hmm? So what I will do, I will create the n and the parent of I, because this will be constant, I plus 1. I will increase like this is first 1 comma 1, and then I will increase plus j here and plus j here. So this will collect all the for this one. Then again I will start with, I will increase plus 1, then 2 comma 2 plus j and 1 plus j. Then this will become this row. Okay, similarly this. Okay, this will be for the one of this loop for the this one, and this another loop for the other half this matrix, and at the last I will get the answer. Thank you, hope you will understand. If you don't, just comment.